In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download submitted form files in Jotform so you can save files uploaded through your forms. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Forms. Find the form that contains the uploaded files and click Submissions to open its responses. In the Submissions table, locate the File Upload column. If you want to download a file from a single submission, click the uploaded file or the download icon next to it and the file will be saved to your device. To download files from multiple submissions, click Download All in the upper right corner and choose the option to download uploaded files. Jotform will collect all uploaded files and prepare them as a zip archive. Once the zip file is ready, download it to your computer. If the archive is large, Jotform may send you an email with a download link. After the download is complete, extract the zip folder to access all of the uploaded files. That's how to download submitted form files in Jotform. Thanks for watching.